6:30. Time to wake up my siblings. Cauliflower and Plum. Plum, wake up!
Why?
Come on, we gotta go to school.
School?
Cauliflower, wake up!
Okay.
It's
Oh my
school.
gosh, Cauliflower, your hair. I think it's raining today.
Oh, no.
Let's check the
We have to go to
forecast.
school?
Well, we have, oh yeah. Ah, it's the mayor again!
The mayor's at our front door?
Okay, like, at 5 in the morning, the mayor came and said, never mind.
He says he needs your help.
Um,
Tell him we're late for school.
oh
Oh, no.
he lost his son.
He can't find his son. Well, we have to go for school? Oh, my gosh, we're late.
Oh my gosh, we're late for school.
It starts at 9.
Well,
Open the garage. We gotta go to school. We're not skipping. Cauliflower, get in my car.
Okay.
Why did Mom and Dad name him Cauliflower? It's raining. We can't go in a convertible.
Just come on. Hurry up.
No.
Hurry up. Then I'm leaving without you.
Okay, go. I'll come in my own car.
He has a mini.
We're late.
Oh, the mayor. Oh, my gosh. It's the mayor. I crashed into the mayor.
Me too.
Oh,
You're
my
going the
gosh.
wrong way.
Yeah, you're on the wrong
Whoa, I'm
I should have tried.
I'm going over the sidewalk. I didn't really get my driver's license.
What? And you're the oldest? Hurry!
Well, Mom and Dad taught me how to drive.
Yeah. Hurry, we need to get our locker and stuff.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. We're soaking wet and we're late.
What's our first class? An assembly.
Yeah, an assembly.
Oh my gosh, my big sister just forgot what an assembly was called.
Plum, get off the stage.
No! Showing up my move.
That was a short assembly.
I don't think that even was an assembly. Let's go to math class. Hurry.
Which one's math?
Over here. You're going.
Where?
Oh my gosh.
Where? Oh, here it is. Found it. It's science.
Hello, I am a robot.
So we were walking out and we saw the mayor again, Chris.
Come here.
I guess he's looking for his son. We haven't seen him though, and it's science class.
We're gonna be late. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Where's science?
Oh my gosh, I left my locker open. I hope
Oh my
nobody took stuff.
gosh. Here's science.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. Okay, so class is almost over. Hello, we were learning about volcanoes. So yeah, it's time for our next class, and it just stopped raining.
Come on.
Okay,
Let's
now
go.
it's gym. And the teachers aren't here today.
Let's go.
How about we go upstairs?
Yeah, let's start on our band. Remember we wanted to make a band?